In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your avatar on Duolingo, ensuring you can make the change you desire with ease. Whether you're starting fresh on your language learning journey or just looking for a change, these steps will guide you through the process with clarity and simplicity. To begin, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Duolingo account on either the mobile app or the website. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile page. This is your personal space on Duolingo, where your progress and personal settings are displayed. It's also where you'll find and modify your avatar. On your profile page, look for your current avatar. It might be a fun little character or image that represents you on the platform. Next to your avatar, you'll notice an edit option. It's usually symbolized by a small pencil icon or something similar. Click on that to bring up the avatar editing menu. Here, you'll see several options. Some might include changing your existing avatar or selecting a new one. What we're interested in, though, is the option to delete or remove the avatar entirely. You might find this option as a little trash can icon or simply a button that says delete or remove. Click that option. After clicking delete, the system may prompt you with a confirmation message. This is an opportunity to make sure you haven't clicked anything by accident. Go ahead and confirm your decision to remove your avatar. It's a simple but important step in ensuring you truly want to make this change. Once you've confirmed, your avatar will be removed from your profile. Duolingo might replace it with a default image or a basic placeholder. You're now free from that persistent digital persona. If at any point you decide you'd like a new avatar, feel free to return to this same section to explore and create a fresh new look. Before we wrap up, here are a few things to keep in mind. Removing your avatar doesn't affect your language progress or any of your other account settings. It's purely a visual change, allowing you to customize your Duolingo experience to better suit your current taste or privacy preferences. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to delete your avatar on Duolingo. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, consider checking out our other videos for more tips on navigating and customizing your favorite apps. Happy learning, and may your language journey be as vibrant and diverse as you wish your avatar to be.